So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is the first video of our Python series. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in case of mostly Mac and even high-end Windows, there are sometimes when you get Python along with the system, but in most cases you won't be finding Python within your system. The best way to check is using your command prompt. So the first thing is what we're going to do is we're going to type over here Python. So you can see that this is the first link, python.org. You have to go inside, and here you can see all those details. So inside this, you go to this tab that says latest Python 3.12.5. So you can go through what all details they have if you want to. So as of now, I don't need any of these things. So I'll be directly going down over here, and you can see we have all the versions for according to the compatibility of your operating system. You have for Mac and others as well. So as I have a Windows 64-bit, so I'll be downloading this. Okay, you just have to click on it, and it should ask you for a location to save. So let's say I'm saving it over here and download. And if you now what we're gonna do is you have to double click on it, and so in my case I already have Python in my system. If I want, I can replace it. I'm not going to replace it now. Let's see, you should not be having this, and you can directly click next, and it would install Python in your computer. So to check if Python is there in your system or not, you have to write in your command prompt Python and put a space and enter. So it should show you the version of Python, and then just to check whether Python is working properly or not, you can write a simple mathematical equation. Let's say 1 plus 1, so it should be giving you the answer. So here we can see that it's giving us 2. So yeah, downloading and installing Python is very easy. We can do it, and in our upcoming videos we'll be seeing how we can use Python to write more in-depth codes. Thanks for watching. I see you guys on the next one.